I don't have to tell you how to use these paper party stars. They speak for themselves, only that you can. Michelle Lunt has been experimenting with the best ways to make giant paper stars perfect for the 4th. But first, this is the best day ever because occasionally people tell me that I look like my friend Michelle, which is my greatest life compliment.
You are
and
the
today
sweetest.
we just decided to dress the part.
No, if I'm having a really good day, somebody comes up to me and says, "Are you Brooke Walker?" And then I just float through the whole rest of the month. I'm so happy.
Well, hey, twin sister.
But I know.
My daughter Emmy would say, same.
Glad you got the pink memo.
Okay, we're feeling pink today. We're also feeling these stars, and you're loving these.
I do. I feel like this is a little project that can kind of change your creative life.
Change our creative life?
Change your life creatively.
I love it.
Yeah,
How
because we often get called upon to decorate for a big event like a church party in a huge cultural hall or a gym at a school.
Right.
We have no money. And this is a great way to get some big impact for almost nothing.
What's the main supply at use here? You're just using basic paper bags?
So it's glue, it's a glue gun, it's paper bags and scissors. That's it.
Done.
And it's so fast, and I feel like it's a lot faster than tissue paper balls.
I was gonna ask, are these easier than the big, huge flowers that we know and love?
And less expensive too, because I feel like these are way less expensive than tissue paper balls.
Show us how.
And I'll have a link on my blog about where to buy these bags, so you don't have to look all over town.
Okay.
So all you're going to do is glue them together. I'm going to demonstrate, then I'm going to let you try.
Okay, good.
So it's a T. So we're just going to go. And my big goal today is to not burn myself on national or
we
local
fully
TV.
Support you in that goal. So please, glue with caution.
Okay, so then you put it on here. And it does kind of matter. You do kind of want them to be stacked.
Your edges will kind of play up against each other.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So a T. So would you like to try?
Move aside, my pink sister.
Okay, this is your little bunch.
Oh, got it.
And there are 7 bags altogether.
Okay.
So if you'll put this little bunch on top, I've already, glue it down here, please.
Did I just fail the glue gun test? Come on.
And a strip across.
Now you've made me all nervous about the burn factor. I'm like, just put the bag on. Okay.
Okay, so then you're just going to put them on there.
It's a hot glue gun.
It is.
It's a good glue
gun. This is a serious glue gun.
Okay.
Okay, and so let me just be gluing, excuse me, a little smidgen more here. Now, if you'll just take your scissors and cut here and here.
Like a house?
A point. Okay. A little point.
Whoa.
I'm just going to put one more on
here.
here.
Does this count as my workout for the day?
I know.
Would
right?
Melanie Douglas approve?
You can do half at a time, and that helps a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
But there are 7 bags.
Yep.
That's it. Put them to a point. I know. And this is the same thing with these big paper bags here, okay?
Yeah.
So these are grocery sacks.
Awesome.
Very same thing, I just painted it.
Just bigger sacks and painted. Okay, now what?
And they're lightweight, which I like if you need to hang things from fishing line in a big, So now watch this. Watch this.
Look at that. Stop it. That's so cool.
And then you'll carefully glue this part as well.
Oh my goodness, this is your star for the 4th. I love it.
It's so easy. And I bet you could kind of paint these too. There's a way that you can make flowers by just making this rounded instead. Okay, cut that rounded. And then I really love these snowflakes. And all that is you're cutting the bag in this kind of a pattern.
Okay.
And you can change them. So like you could use this for Christmas time, which I have done before at church parties.
Right.
And it just makes a lot of fun drama in a big cultural hall.
Love it. Tutorial, which you've seen here, recapped on your website along with some shopping sources. Where do we find you?
honeyimhomeblog.com. I'm also on Instagram.
Let's wear yellow next time.
Okay, good.
Okay, sounds good.
Good, and then maybe blue after that?
Meet you here.
Okay.
It's all done.
All right.
Thanks so much.